Hair business is always a good choice for anyone, but most people don't know how to start. Nowadays, Vietnamese hair wholesale is regarded as the best quality hair product with the best price. So, in this video, this time, I will give you a detailed instructions on how to buy Vietnamese hair wholesale. One more time, I'm Justin, sales manager of KF Factory, and let's get started. First of all, you need to prepare a budget to buy Vietnamese hair wholesale. For those who are just starting a hair business, the financial background is extremely important. So make sure you have prepared an adequate budget to buy Vietnamese hair wholesale. Secondly, don't forget to search for a reliable Vietnamese hair wholesale vendor. There are a few tips that help you find the most suitable Vietnamese hair wholesale supplier for your business. Social networking platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest are very useful search engines. Join many groups related to buy and selling Vietnamese hair wholesale and read reviews to choose from. You can also search via Google by typing keywords related to buying Vietnamese hair wholesale. If you know people who have bought Vietnamese hair wholesale, ask them for information. Refer to websites that review best Vietnamese hair wholesale suppliers like list of company or company list. In addition, since you are new, you do not have much experience and limited knowledge, so there is a high risk of being scammed. Here's some tips to avoid scam when finding reliable Vietnamese hair wholesale vendors. Reputable wholesale always have complete and clear information about website, products, as well as customer feedback. Direct video call with the suppliers to see the hair. Do not transfer money to suppliers without testing the product. Carefully read customer review about hair quality. You just choose company with clear payment and warranty policies. The third step to buy Vietnamese hair wholesale is contact the Vietnamese hair wholesale vendor you choose to deal. There are a few tips you can use to get the best price. Offer a budget lower than your actual budget to bargain. Vietnamese hair wholesale factories favor long-term partners. You can promise benefits that you can bring them in the future to gain a discount. If you want to buy wigs, you can buy 345 to 4 bundles with closure or frontals to make a wig from bundles and lace closures. This is a common method used by seasonal wholesale to cut costs. Last but not least, order and pay. After negotiating the price and quantities as well as types with Vietnamese hair wholesale vendors, proceed to place order. Remember, never to transfer money without having your hair checked. Thank you so much for watching this video till this end, and that is all you need to know about how to buy Vietnamese hair wholesale. If you have any question, don't hesitate to text me to this WhatsApp number. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin, and I will be back for more videos on KF Factory Match the Nam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.